Yeah, I see videos of trying to post these. They're like trail running and sometimes instead of wasting money, they just like build infrastructure there.
Yeah.
Wow. Are you thinking of taking a dip as well in the lake there?
Probably, yeah. I like to get into the cold water once in a while.
Nice.
Yeah, we'll see. I think Kyle mentioned you often do that, yeah?
Yeah, it's just, I think our little picnic, eh? First date.
It would be amazing, yeah. Wow. Gorgeous meadow. Great place for a grizzly bear to pop up.
Yeah.
I know.
Kyle, show me your smile. Come on, bro, let's go the extra mile. If we hurry up, we'll be done in a while. It's a video. It's a video.
Okay.
Hi, everybody! Hey! There we go. So I took a screenshot from that.
All right, nice.
With a fist in the background. This usually makes an interesting shot. It's the hiking pool camera. Very so dramatic.
Wow.
Good. You're already in one, Kyle. Say cheeseburger. There you go. You've just been cheeseburgered. Wow. I had. And you're left to get a rock. Say cheese nuggets. Up to the right. Cheese nuggets. Cheese nuggets. And I'll do one from back here as well. This is where Tony drops his camera off the edge. I go like this. And let's see what it looks like over the edge. This thing can go, hey, what's over there?
Oh,
boom,
hell yeah.
Down.
It's like a periscope, right?
Yeah. And just mind ourselves here.
Yeah.
So sometimes you get some little clips out of it or videos.
Oh yeah.
Shall we make our way on?
Yeah, let's try it.
And here is where we really need to decide how far we want to proceed. It's scrambly today. Holy boy. I like mountains.
And you know what? I rarely ever say that, oh, I'm good now, like I'm good to go down. It's like you just stare at the salt.
This is one of my favorite things to do, is to juggle in beautiful places. And I'm here in beautiful places with a bunch of beautiful people, just having a nice time, feeling happy to be alive and super happy not to be down that cliff. And not yet, kind of like rhyming. Do one of you two want to give me a word, an English word? I do a little freestyle sometimes. Any English word that comes to mind in this beautiful place.
What do you got?
Creek. Beautiful. So as you know, I'm not Greek, and I'm here not playing like a geek. No, my name's Tony, and I came up not meek. I scrambled to the top cause I wasn't feeling weak. Yo, I didn't sleep well, felt like kind of hell. Huh. And instead, I kept going just swell. Dropped the juggling ball, but that's okay, cause the creek is near, not far away. And on the way down, we gonna stop. We're gonna hit an alpine like, and that's gonna be hot. I think it's time for me to focus now, throw these rocks away, and get on with it somehow.
Let's
go!
Nice.
Here we go.
That was awesome.
From the tiggity top of not Birdwood, not Smutwood.
Not smut, but Smutwood.
We are on top of Smutwood. Cheers, guys! Thanks for the gym. And
Thank you.
we're recording. Just like that, it's perfect.
Should I stay here?
Just like that's perfect. Yeah. You come a little closer if you want. Yeah, because it's for sure. So Kyle, this is your juggling show that I promised you.
I get this. It's
Um,
not even with balls though, it's just rocks.
It's just rocks, just the juggling balls he found on the top of the mountain. So yeah, you know, here this is part of my series of called Juggling in Beautiful Places, and we happen to be in a beautiful place, and I want to express my gratitude to my body, my legs, for getting me up here. I know that not everyone in the world is as fully able-bodied as I am, and I truly feel extremely grateful that I could do this today. I don't actually expect to be fully able-bodied my entire life, so I celebrate it while I can, and feel so blessed to be in this amazing, freaking beautiful place.
Yeah, let's go.
And look at that, I didn't fall off the mountain. Woo! There we go.
I
Cheers.
only got the end
That
of
was
it.
pretty cool.
You're gonna hit both those legs?
I'll try. Let's see how time is.
Yeah.
Not sure which one's warmer. But
We have to, depending on how we are for ride, we have to wait for it to be back, and we're gonna have some time.
and I think also once you're down there, the wind isn't going to be as bad.
I get so self-conscious when it's on camera. Now I turn around and it's not on camera. Okay? So same rap, no juggling. This is the Mile High rap with me thinking that it's not on camera. This is a mind trick, right? Plus we don't have so much people noise in the background. So I can be a little less self-conscious. But let's talk a little bit about being self-conscious. Because when you're feeling self-conscious, you're not going to be able to reach for this. And that's okay, because sometimes we get that way. We just get our head in our own way. And I think that it works really well if you just say, hey, it's okay to be self-conscious. It's okay to feel unfathomably questionable about the things that I want to do, about the feet that I want to fill with these shoes, about the places I want to go, about the riding I want to do in the snow, about figuring out this life and trying to find my flow. It's okay if you don't know, because guess what? In this show that we all get to go, most people don't really know. And some say they know where they're going to go, and some go where they say they're going to go, and some don't even show up for the freaking show. But the most important thing that I can tell you that I know is that if you show up, and if you climb, and if you live, and if you don't mind falling once in a while, you'll probably end the day with a big, bright, beautiful smile. So that's what I got to say right now up here in the sky from one beautiful mile. Ciao for now. I'm Tall Hat Tony. That
was a good one.
a little bit better. Should we do 1, 2, 3? Oh, that's fresh.
Oh yeah, that's fresh.
All right. Well, 1, 2, and 3. That's cool.
That is.
That's probably 10 or 12.
Holy shit.
That's all I need.
Are you swimming? Oh, shit. He's out there.
Wow. Tengo hambre. Yo necesito comer. a duck.